Right now, I want to go over the Levoit Dual 150 Humidifier and Diffuser combo. We've actually got two of these in our house. We really like them that much. I'm going to go over some of the features. So first here, this is a 3-liter tank. There is a filter inside. It's really easy to change. When it's empty, you simply reach down in there. It's got a little container. You twist that, pull it out. At that point, you could swap out your filter. It's really easy to change. Another cool thing is that when you lift this off, so I'll turn it off first here, this whole tank comes off. So that's a feature I really like, and it stands up on its own, so you don't have to worry about it falling over, tipping over. So you can take this, fill it up, whatever, clean it out, for whatever reason you want to take it off, right? And you will actually be filling up the base here with your essential oil, so you do want to take it off in that case. The entire lid comes off here, like we've already shown you here. It's got a max fill line here, so you'll never forget that. Now, once you get the container off here, or the water tank, now you actually put the essential oils in the base of the tank here. So whatever essential oil you want to use, this is Deep Breath Blend, and I really like this one. You know, it says to put about 10 to 15. I personally find that to be a little bit strong, so I like more of about the 5 to 6 drop range, and it really does depend on how big the drops are. So you put that in the base of the tank, and then you simply put the tank back on here. It's got a nice line here that lines up with this arrow, so it's easy to get lined back up. And then, of course, you can just turn it back on. And this is adjustable, so however much mist you want coming out of there. Now, it is cool mist, and it will run for 8 hours at this high setting in my experience. So we turn this on every night, and honestly, very often throughout the day. And it runs for 8 hours on the very high setting in our experience. Then on the back here, it does have a sticker here just for manufacturer instructions. It's telling you, it prefers that if you fill it up with purified or filtered water. I use sink water straight out of the tap in our house. We have not had an issue with that. So it just says it's recommended. Doesn't say you have to use it, but they just recommend that you use purified or filtered water. And then it tells you that you can put 10 or 15 drops of essential oil directly into the base of the tank, are the manufacturer's directions. Now be sure to read the directions on your machine. Some of them have said to put the essential oils in the tank itself, but this model, this specific one that I have, says to put it in the base of the machine. And then, of course, for the replacement filters, they do have packs. This is a pack of 10, and like I showed you earlier, the filter is really easy to change out. Just takes a couple seconds or so. Once it's empty, you can change that out. Personally, I change it about once a month. I think it really just depends on how often you use it. So you can read more about the how often to change the filter in the instruction manual. And that is it. So I love that it's super quiet. There's no lights on it. That's another thing that I really like, because those lights, those LED lights, I like it pitch black, especially in my bedroom when I'm sleeping. So I like the fact that it doesn't have any lights on it. So really great machine, no noise, really quiet, works well. And then, I already got that fresh essential oil smell in here. It's really kind of more of a lavendery smell, but it's the Deep Breath Blend here. So hopefully that was helpful. Again, the Levoit Dual 150 Humidifier and Diffuser.